Welcome to Session 5 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study advanced review of linear and quadratic structure. The focus is to choose the form that reveals the requested feature. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Use slope-intercept form for rate. 2. Use vertex form for max or min. 3. Use factored form for zeros. A line tells a constant rate story. A quadratic tells a changing rate story. The main skill is choosing the form that reveals the answer fastest. Slope-intercept for rate, vertex form for maximum or minimum, and factored form for zeros. Suppose p of x equals -2 times the quantity x minus 4 squared plus 18. Vertex form immediately shows a maximum value of 18 at x equals 4. To find zeros, set the expression equal to 0 and solve. The zeros are 1 and 7. For a line through 2, 9, and 6, 21, compute the slope first. The change in y is 12, and the change in x is 4, so the slope is 3. Point slope form gives y minus 9 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 2, or y equals 3x plus 3. Your turn. What is the vertex of y equals 5 times the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 9? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Lines show constant rate. Vertex form shows max or min. Factored form shows zeros. Choose the form after reading the question. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is... That small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.